pushing us backward. Oh, I can't believe it.
We need something to stop the moon from snoring.
I think we should kick our Muscatoons, Captain Mickey.
Good idea, Co-Pilot Minnie. Everybody say, oh, toodles!